3D printers exhibit this phenomenon. The texture of the printed material is too soft and may even result in damaged parts. This problem occurs. In most cases, the laser power is too low. At this time, manual operation of the machine and computer is required. To modify the power intensity value, the steps are as follows. Find the fill function on the interface in the normal area. Click on Scan Strategy to enter the laser bar where the laser duty cycle is displayed. Click Confirm. Fill, contour, and support functions on the interface. Scan strategy in all zone functions. Modify its parameters.